I couldn't decide between two sets of the flowing fairy branch style firecracker lights, so have both to show you side by side. The first main difference is the daintiness of the center wire. This one has lights running through where this one just has the copper wire. So if you want much more light integrated all the way through the center branch, a little bit brighter in addition to the lights on the end of each individual outspurt, this is the look you're looking for. If you like the dainty look with still a lot of light, but like the more fine line of the center just being the copper wire, then I would say that one. So you can see here, it's just a dramatic difference in the center wire that runs through the middle, but the branches and each little light are the same. The second main difference is the 200 does not have a way to control all of the pulsing, blinking, all of those features, where the running fairy lights does have a number of blinking options for the center branch all the way down. So if you're really looking for more flexibility there, I would say the one on the right is for you. Third option is LED plug style, 2-prong versus 3-prong. So if you're looking to connect them to other LEDs and screw them together, you do need to go, the 200 has the 2-prong, the other one has the 3-prong, and you're gonna need to connect the LEDs to the appropriate type. Your third option is your color choices. You can get warm and cool mixed, you can get cool with white and blue, or you can get all warm white, so just make sure you get the color choice that you prefer. Overall, it comes to brightness and effects. Do you want the 200 gentler glow or the 388 richer, lighter, brighter glow? Do you want the ease of use with just plug and play, or do you want the flexibility of the customization? And the 200 one does have an additional 10-foot lead wire, so if you need to really put it in a unique place, that might be a consideration as well. Both beautiful, both budget friendly. Hope that helps.